Hey guys, it says no numbers are given. How many degrees is the red angle? If you want to try this on your own, pause it right now because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. Let's focus on this triangle and the semicircle. Anytime you have a triangle inscribed in a circle where one side is the diameter, the triangle will always be a right triangle. So this angle ACB has to be 90 degrees. And this is always true. Here's a nice little visualization to show it. If you notice, if we rotate the visual, one side will always stay horizontal and one side always stays vertical. That would only be possible if it was a right triangle. Since there's 180 degrees total in a triangle, these other two angles must add to 90 degrees. And once again, that's because we need all three of these angles to add up to 180 degrees. Every triangle has a special point called the incenter. There are two very important details about the incenter. First, it's the center of the inscribed circle. And second, it's the intersection of the angle bisectors. So for this figure right here, point M is the incenter. It is the center of the inscribed circle. And since these two lines intersect at that point, that means that these lines are bisecting these two angles. To make it easier, let's number these angles 1, 2, and 3. So the measure of angle 2 right here has to be half of the measure of angle BAC. And the same thing for angle 3. It's cutting angle ABC in half. So we'd say the measure of angle 3 is equal to measure of angle ABC divided by 2. Let's look at this equation again, and let's divide everything by 2. The measure of angle BAC divided by 2, that is the same thing as the measure of angle 2. And then we're going to add to that ABC divided by 2, which is angle 3, and that's going to be equal to 90 divided by 2, which is 45 degrees. Then let's smush all this together and add angle 1 to both sides of the equation. Angles 1, 2, and 3 are the three angles of this triangle, so we know they're all going to add up to 180 degrees. And if we subtract 45 degrees from both sides, 180 degrees minus 45 degrees is 135 degrees. And on the right-hand side, we just have the measure of angle 1. So the measure of this red angle is 135 degrees. And that is the answer to the question. Let's put a box around it. How exciting.